Let me share a lesson with you I recently learned the hard way. Expectation is the root of all heartache. That's by William Shakespeare. We all know he's a wise man. Many of you may know that I recently launched my very first online workshop to help entrepreneurs and business owners gain more confidence in getting on camera to create a deeper connection with their audience members. And I'm super confident in my content and my delivery of the workshop. But it was the sales process, the weeks leading up to it, that gave me anxiety and literally heartache. I had to go to urgent care because I had chest pain. And luckily it wasn't my heart, but I think it was anxiety. I was checking my phone every day after registration opened to see if people were signing up. And the sales were not going very quickly. And so I felt so tense about that. And in the end, the workshop went great. I had 6 participants sign up and they got so much value out of it. And they still are. I'm still holding their hand, critiquing their videos because of the workshop they signed up for. So I want you to remember, whether you're selling a course, a workshop, a product like homemade soaps, or you're selling a house, or you're posting a video for the first time to your audience, don't expect immediate success. The numbers will come.